Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 13. The first thing you have to do, you have to open the two screws at the back here. Okay. They use the pencil. You be careful, just put it inside and make sure you put it down and open it like this. Don't push the pencil inside that much, okay? Because the connector is on this side, so you have to be careful. The connector is on this side, so you open it this way, okay? Then you have to take out the screws here to disconnect the battery and the first LCD. Make sure you use the right screwdrivers. Take out this panel, you disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD. Okay, now you need to lose the other panel on top here. There's another screw here you need to open. This one has to have 3 screws. You open this one here. Be careful for the connector up there for the sensor. You take out this panel also. You disconnect the sensor cable. This one, you remove it. Be careful when you remove it, okay? Now you put this one side, okay? Now you need to remove this speaker and put to the new LCD. So you have to be careful to remove those screws here. The screw you need to remove. Take out the panel. Okay. And remove the speaker slowly. Don't force it. Just take your time because the mic is here. Many other things are here. So just place it up slowly like this. There's the sensor and the mic. Just place it up like this slowly. Okay, you take it out. Then you put on the new LCD. Make sure it fits properly. Okay. Take out the rubbers. Be careful when you take it out so you don't spoil the LCD. Fix back this panel. replace all the screw back you take out from there. Okay, after you finish fix the sensor and there's one sensor, so now you need to fix on the motherboard. You have to be careful. Okay, you see the connector, this one you have to connect it up here first. Make sure you connect it properly. Make sure you get the correct point before you press it down. Don't press it down if you don't get the correct side, so you don't spoil the connector on the board. Make sure you, okay, when you feel that it's straight, then you put it down. Then you connect this LCD one also here. Do the same thing. Make sure you get the same points before you press it. Don't press it down if you don't get the right points, so you don't spoil the screen or you spoil the connector. Make sure you get it straight before you press it down. Okay, this one's already fixed. Perfect. You hear the sound. Then you fix the battery now. Okay, before you replace all the panel and put the screw back. Okay, so you close this one, the top here. Okay, you make sure the panel pass like this on top the sensor connector. Okay, then you replace the screw you take out from there. Make sure you replace all the screw where you take it. Sometimes the screw is not all the same, so you have to have all this right screwdriver for all the screws. Okay. You fix this other panel down here. Then you replace all the screw there also. Okay, and now you close it. You start from the top here. Make sure you fix the top first properly like this. Okay, before you fix the downside. Okay, then it puts all the two screw back, take out. Now you need to put on charge. So that the phone will on, and you test the LCD and see if it's okay. Okay, now it's on. Now you test the touch. Everything is okay. It's clicking. Everything is nice. It's good. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.